Today I will show you how to go AFK on Roblox so you don't get kicked out. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. First of all, we need to check if our controller is connected. We see the blue light, we know that's connected. The next thing we want to do is we want to understand what AFK is. It means after the game, we should be able to stay in the game without getting kicked out. So we need to find a way to stay in the game. Some people advise to use rubber band to hold down the joystick. Once you hold it down like this, you hold it down in a particular direction, the game remains and it's still going. I'll advise, in order not to get kicked out, you need to go to your home page. You go to settings, and here we're going to go to system. On the system, we're going to go to power saving, and in power saving, we're going to set time until controller turns off to do not turn off. So we don't want to turn it off. We want to leave it like that, and we want to go back and then set time until PS5 enters whilst playing game. We want to set this to do not put in rest mode. Now we're going to hold our joystick down after the game and not get kicked out. Don't forget to like and subscribe.